please.
Yes, will do.
Thank you.
Will it be
Around the course only to go once.
Did you figure that out all by yourself? Now this one's gone away, remember? How many balls right here, John? 0. Okay, no, don't make it so easy for me to push you around, because it is a scam. John, look, nothing here, John. Hit the cup 2 times. How many balls under the middle cup, John? Let's go for 2. John, I can't actually change the number of balls just by hitting it, okay? John, how many balls right here, John? 1. Alright, John, come on. You're smarter than that, John. Okay, I'll give you one more try. 2 balls. I'll take 1 ball away, John. Hit the cup 2 times. John, how many balls under the middle one? John? 0. No, John, always 2, okay? That's it. You get the pattern, John. Always 2 balls. I'm just trying to give you your money back. Okay, 2 balls. Do it slower. Take 1 ball away, John. How many balls underneath the middle? Oh, sorry. My ball's dropped. A good trick, a good show. I hope you think that's worth good money, ladies and gentlemen. Are you ready, John? Here we go. He's ready. He's been ready since he was a fetus. I just said fetus into a live microphone, and I love my job. Here we go. Alright. Oh my god. It's not a scam. Look at the size of it. It's mad. It's like pterodactyl sized in some ways. Did you see that, John? No? Okay. Whatever. 5 quid, John. How many balls under the hat, John? How many are right here? Shazam! Sorry? Did you say some fruit? Okay, how about 3? I'm not really that good. Okay. I'll give you your money, John. That was a fair try. Ladies and gentlemen, my people, you guys have all been watching the hat, the hands, and the balls. That would have been a huge waste of time, except I promise I wasn't going to waste anybody's time. I promise you guys a good show. Watch me deliver. Here we go. Orange. Wow, nobody cares. You had the right idea, just the wrong location. I'll do it again. I'll do it until you all clap, okay? Watch here. Orange. Okay. That wasn't everybody. Wait, I'll do it one more time. I'll do it one more time just to piss you guys off a little bit. One more time, and I hope you guys think that this is a good show. I hope you guys think that this is worth good money. Here we go. That's 4, that's 5, that's 6. Yeah, look at this, look at this. No, I'm just kidding. All the money's gonna go feed my 3 beautiful daughters. And the 3 beautiful daughters, they got 3 beautiful mothers, and we all gotta eat. Thanks for coming out, ladies. I appreciate it.